So I just wanted to make a quick video of everything we found at the swap meet. Since it was pretty long and blurry, and then it started raining on us, so. But here's what we got. We tried to hurry up and look, but it started raining, so they had a ton of pieces. So if you guys want to check out that video, you know, scroll towards the middle. But yeah, this is what we got. Look at this thing. This one's nice. Nice little Ford. All of them need kind of like cleaning up in a way, but pretty good pieces overall. You know, special racing on the tires there. This is a custom F-150, like a step side, I think. And we got some other little pickup trucks here. We haven't had a chance to clean them up either, but we're going to. It's lowered Altima, or I keep calling it an Altima. It's a, well, you guys know what it is. Titan. There we go. This cool little Titan here. Pretty cool. And here we got in Spanish, Love Machine, with the opening hood, or closing. Well, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but you get the idea. Still got to clean up, you know, take all those stickers off, give it a nice clean, try to get rid of some of that rust. But pretty cool, you know, could go on a display. The other one we got, I think this is a Matchbox. Oh no, it is a Hot Wheel. But these big old fat tires on it. It's nice. Looked like a GMC Sierra. And I don't know if those are stacks or that was part of like a roof rack. But both of the lifted ones here. You know. And then we got the Super Lucha one. Lathian. I don't even know what that is, but I think Sam picked this one out. Yeah, pretty cool. You know, it says wrestling on the side. I think the wheels too, they're missing the chrome, but pretty cool. And lastly, I've never seen one like this, a Dodge like truck Charger looking thing. I don't even know what this is called. Oh, Sidewinder. I don't know. Like a truck car concept. But we don't have one, I don't think. Next, the 300. And now these look like real riders, right, when you first look at them. So, but they're not. They're plastic all the way. But it is a 350Z, not a 300. Probably remove all the decals, make it just regular blue. But who knows when Sam's gonna start that custom stuff. He has all the tools for it. Look at this 300. What is it? Oh, a Mercedes SLK. Thing is pretty sweet, man. We don't have one at all, package or out of the box. But I think that's a metal on metal. Not sure what year this is, so maybe you guys could tell me. You know. But that's that. And then this looks like a JDM car, but it's actually I don't know what this is, man. Commodore, SS Commodore. I don't know if that's a real car or one of the fantasy ones, but it looked like a Dodge in the back and like a Pontiac in the front. But I don't know, maybe you guys could tell me more about it. It does have a nice little roll cage, clear glass. Look at that. Nice. But yeah, these were 75 cents each, so you know, they were kind of rough. Well, they are pretty rough. There's metal on metal. F355 Challenge. It's a nice little exotic right here. Look at that little clear looking wing on it. That's pretty cool. And this one, if you watch the video, I was confused on it at first, but probably take all the paint off, repaint it black. The wheels are pretty cool though, you know. But I don't know if it's a Buick or a Grand National, or a Cutlass, that's what I meant. Grand National or Cutlass. I think it is a Grand National though. One of these to add to the lowrider collection we have. It just looks really badass, you know. The double windows on the back. Nice flat hood. Real neat. Metal on metal. But I like the condition of it. Not too much, you know. Not too beat up. And still pretty sparkly on the light, so that's good. A bug. Little yellow bug. Not sure what the logo was. Nice little metal on metal there though. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then this is a Matchbox Taxi. So that's pretty neat. I remember I gave one of these to my friend David. He made a custom out of it. So probably I'll give this to him again. Give this one to him. See what kind of custom he can come up with. Last time he lowered it all the way to the floorboards. It was a green one, but we'll see what he does with this. Pretty cool Matchbox. Or see if Sam starts up that customing. You know. Let us know in the comments too if you guys want him to start. Because he's been slacking. And I got this one because I like six-wheelers. This is a Hot Wheel. I just wish I had found the bed for it. But overall it's pretty complete, pretty sweet. You know. All the wheels roll. Except for this one, which I'm sure it's just a matter of realigning it. Putting it back in its place. But nice little yellow Mac. I think my little nephew's gonna like this one. Fix it up for him. And then finally, this is a Matchbox. They don't really make, and man, I would have gave anything to find the bed for this one. You know. But it's pretty neat. Got the little McDonald's logo on it. I think this is like the best one I found. I'm disappointed I couldn't find the bed. So I'll keep looking for a bed for this one, or a trailer. You guys know what I mean. You know, pop it in there pretty good. But this one's pretty neat. Never seen one with the McDonald's logo on it. Just disappointed I didn't find that. But there you have it. That's the collection. You know, some pieces. You guys know, everywhere we go, we collect something. So, you know, we share it with you guys. I just want to make a quick video on everything we found. You know, that way you guys can enjoy it with us also. We went hunting. We did a live stream. We went to 5 different Walmarts out there, and we only came across this little gem, which is nice. It's by Maisto. But this will make our second Volkswagen we have out of Maisto design. And we find them in store. We didn't order them online or anything.
Fine, thanks for watching the video.
See, diles, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the house hunting. Yo le dije hace rato a tu papá cuando se reunió, yo desperté y le dije esto.
Sí, diles bye bye.
Bye bye.
Alright, guys. Peace.